Hello friends, myself so Arpita Sunil Pandav, assistant teacher. If you like my videos, then like, share and subscribe my education channel. Bridge course Standard 7th, Subject Science, full answers and explanation. Question first. Answer in one sentence. A. Which is the closest planet to the Sun in our solar system? Answer. The Mercury is the closest to the Sun. B. Which is the largest planet in our solar system? Jupiter is the largest planet of the solar system. C. Which planet has life on it? Earth planet has life on it. D. Which planet is also called the red planet? Answer. Mars planet, also called the red planet. Question 2. Give 2 examples of each. A. Flowering plants. Hibiscus, rose. B. Non-flowering plants. Money plant, algae. Question 3. Fill in the blank with appropriate words. A. There is an attraction between ... poles of a magnet. Answer. Opposite. B. The metal nickel is a ... material. Answer. Magnetic. C. Metals like gold, silver can be drawn into wire. This property of metal is called ... Answer is ductility. D. Materials obtained from animals are called as ... Answer is animal origin. Question 4. Which machines will you see used to do the following work? A. To cut vegetables. To cut vegetable, we use knife. B. For sewing clothes. For sewing clothes, we use sewing machine. C. To cut wood. To cut wood, we use axe. D. To load a heavy drum onto the trunk. To load heavy load drum on truck, we use incline plane. Question 5. Identify the form of energy from the examples given below. Write from the option given below: light energy, sound energy, heat energy, and potential energy. A. The glass panes of windows crack. Sound energy. B. Planets make their own food with the help of sunlight. Light energy. C. When the spring of a toy is wound and then released, the toy starts playing. Potential energy. D. We burn fuel to prepare our food. Heat energy. Question 6. Write whether the following objects are luminous or non-luminous. A. A book. B. The sun. C. A pen. D. A burning candle. A book, non-luminous. The sun, luminous. A pen, non-luminous. And a burning candle is luminous. Question 7. Identify and write the names of animals from the picture of their skeletons. Frog. Pelican. Question 8. Which incident do you see in the following picture? What measures will you take to control it? Unnecessary blowing of horns of the vehicles should be completely prevented. The entertainment of our homes should not be trouble for others. Therefore, volume of TV or radio should be kept at minimum. It should be restricted only to those who are watching or listening to program. Third, engines of unmaintained vehicles produce a lot of unwanted and harsh sound. Maintenance of horn should be done. Such noise should be avoided. Four, factories, airports, railways and bus stands, etc. create a lot of noise. They should not be located in residential areas. They should be away from locality. Question 9. Differentiate between uniform and non-uniform linear motion with proper examples.